Okay. All right. All right. Well, so thank you so much for taking the time to join. I'm glad that all of you are here. So if you're joining on YouTube, do well to share the link to maybe more people who probably want to learn about trading. So today, it's just going to be very simple and just we'll be focusing more on the basics, right? The basics. So of forex trading, I know that many people are still joining. So maybe you can just drop on the chat. Tell me where you are joining from, the city you are joining from, what country you're joining us from. Just let me know in the comment section. It's great. Very different perspective of what the financial market is, of what forex market is. But forex market is just simply exchange of one currency for the other in the very simplest steps. So if you've ever left this country, you've ever traveled, if you've ever traveled out of Nigeria before, or you've left the country to another country, one thing you'll notice is when you're traveling to the US, when you're traveling to the US, one thing is very easy for sure is you would want to change the currency of that your country to the currency of the country you are going to. And so what? So by the time you do that, that is called foreign exchange. That's foreign exchange. So you actually exchange your naira to your dollar, right? So and there's an exchange rate. So that money is just there. So so that's how it works. So simply exchange of one currency to another. So it's just basically what forex is. But now that's just the basics. If you want to learn more, you will click the link on the description box and be part of my Telegram community. Share free trades there, and it just helps you understand. So, all right, so that's just basically what forex trading is. So, we're checking out some, doing some analysis because I know most of you here, you just want to make money, you want to just me to call out signals to tell you whether you should buy or you should sell. We're going to do that back. Right, so that's simply, but I just want to focus on just teaching the beginners, just explaining what Forex is. So Forex is simply global financial market that allows people to be able to trade currencies. So it's just simple that if you think that one currency of a nation is going to be stronger against the other and you end up correcting, you make profits. So once upon a time, before a global pandemic happened, people can actually get on airplane and travel. Even now, right after COVID and all that, people can actually get in a plane, travel to another country, or travel internationally. So if you've ever traveled to another country, you usually have you probably had found a currency exchange booth at the airport. So and the exchange, and then you get to exchange the money you have in your wallet into the currency of that country you are visiting. So you go to the counter and you notice a screen that displays, most especially in bank, different exchange rates for the currencies, right? So what is simply an exchange rate is a relative price of two currencies from two different currency. It's just a relative price currencies from different currencies, right? So for example, you find that the Japanese yen, which is the country of the Japan, right? The currency of Japan, and think to yourself, wow, my $1 is worth 100 yen, and you have $10, right? So automatically you'll be like, oh, I'm going to be rich. So when you do this, you have actually participated in the forex market. So you go to Japan and you notice that your $1 is worth 100 yen, and you have 10 Oh, oh, so sorry, guys. Um, I think I was off for a while. So I was just explaining how big the financial market is. And not just only that, I was as well explaining to you guys that the financial market opens 24 hours a day. So it's always a movement. Market is always a movement, right? So like the stock market or bond market, the first market does not close at the end of every single day. It instead shifts from one time zone to another time zone, right? So it means that the day starts with trader waking up in one country, it moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally now to New York before trading starts all over again in New Zealand. So just keep moving. So I think that everybody should be trading. This is a very wonderful skill to have, though it comes with its risk, but it's something that um, it's something that you can learn and you can get so good to a point where you do not have to be scared of losing money and all of that thing. So you just need to give it time and you just need to be consistently doing have a strategy that work, stick to good risk management, understand trade management, and just be consistently doing it over and over and over and over again. Before you know, you just get profitable. All right, so let me call out some signals. Let's analyze the markets. Hope you have your account funded and you're ready to make money. So just be doing some analysis on some pair. We're almost getting to New York session. Currently in London session. So just look at some currency pair like GBP USD. My network. Let me close this tab and just open again. Sorry, so I'm waiting for it to load. All right. So let's look at GBP USD first. So if you want to learn my strategy I use, just go and look at some videos on the YouTube channel and watch previous live videos. You really get valuable information that can help you. So I think I'm having network glitches. Hold on. I think I'm having network issues. It's not searching. It's not searching. I just have only 3 pairs on my watch list. All right, no problem. So let's look at the pair I'm currently watching. So what I like to look at is on the higher time frame, gold BTC USD has been on a downtrend, but now there's something very amazing here is that where price is currently, it's a very fantastic zone because we see it's a key zone. Market has previously tested the zones, and when it tests it, it just reverses back. So, so it has tested it many times and it just goes up back. So let's go to the 4 hours. So 94 hours to the same thing. So I just want to make money today, so I'm not really concerned about this. But so I'm still going to. I always teach you guys always stick to the trend of the market. So this is a quick buy, just for people who are scalping, but I'm still looking at the sell. So, but we don't move the market. All we just need is we just let the market to move this thing and react. So now the two things I'm looking at is either price breaks off here, I'm going for a buy, which should happen. We'll put our take profits here. And there's 1 to 3 risk to reward our stop loss below. Or if market does not break above this line, we'll just be patient and watch if market will take off this low. Then we'll go in for a sell. So now on US 30, I'm looking at we'll go to daily time frame, and I'm seeing that price is on a very key zone. It's been on an uptrend, but there's this support level down there, and so it's just been testing there, and so looking for the sell. I'm looking for the sell too as well. So now if you're here, you can sell US 30. Let's sell US 30. So if you're here, you can sell US 30. So if you're not on the Telegram community, you're not in the Telegram community, you can click the link on the description. I'll just post it on the Telegram community. Oh. So US 30. So our stop loss is going to be 468512 468512 468512. So if you're here to copy copy the stop loss, it's going to be 56851.2 46,851.2. So I'm going to post that on the Telegram community. Do well to join, and you can copy all the signals I post for free. You can just make money. So already up on that trade, I myself am going to be going into. I'll be going into with one standard lot. So I'm going to put in the stop loss 46851.2. Okay, so I'm already in on the trade. Right. Already in, and so just hope market does this thing. So I think I'll be starting a challenge, but I'll preserve that maybe by next month. I'll be posting just to stay disciplined, and I think I'm planning a challenge of trading a 1,000 pounds account to take it to 10,000 pounds. So I'll be sharing the whole journey on the Telegram community, and every trade I take on that trade, I'll post it. I'll share it for free. So, but that will be next month. So I just want to show you what is possible, right? You'd see the up, the down, you see everything. So let's look at one final trade. So we are in on the sell for US 30, and so for gold, I'm seeing sell. So I'm seeing a sell for gold. So if you are here, I think we should sell gold. So going for a sell immediately. I'll post that on the community. Because gold has been selling madly. So if you want to, so our stop loss is gonna be 3,378 points. No. It's going to be 4,000. Let me just post on the community. Coming. Let me just tell them to go in. So X stop loss is going to be 4,262. So 0.402. So if you already got in, you should be in profit. If you got in when I said getting, you should be in profit. All right, so we are floating in profit on that, and but just little profit. We're still running loss, a little loss on. We're still running a little. We're still on drawdown on. So that's all the two trade, and we just manage it. We just manage it. So if you have not joined the Telegram community, do well to join. So I share all this trade there. So that's it. Does anybody have any question you probably want to ask? Yeah, I'm rounding up. I'm rounding up. All right, so I posted it on the community. So if you have any question you probably want to ask me, we're not able to look at any currency pair because I don't know why MT5 is misbehaving. So if you have any question, just drop it. Oh, BTC USDC, it has bought. So you see that analysis we did. You see, it has broken that line. See, it has broken. As I just said, you know, as exactly. But we are not on that trade because we're already on these two. So we'll just manage our risk. Um, we'll just manage our risk. So we will not be taking that trade. So that's just the two trades we have. But look at BTC USD. So if you want to learn how we're able to predict this, look at gold too. We're in profit on gold. US 30. We're just in tiny profit too as well. So guys, this is not luck. This is not guesswork. This is with precision. This is with good analysis, right? Okay, the news coming on card. Okay, someone's asking, what do I think about the news coming on card? So let's see. So there's a news coming on card by 1:30. So this CPI. So now this news is going to have effect on only currency pair. I don't know what's wrong with my MT5. I wanted to check Canadian pairs. I don't know what's wrong with my. Let me see. Let me try another. Let me try another place. So for card, let me check the card pairs. So now that news is just going to have impact on pairs that has like USD card, GBP card, and all of that. But let me open my trading view on another browser. Let me know why, so that I'll help you. Maybe we'll check some. I'm sorry. So I'm trying to log in that. So it's loading. So while we wait, let's see if there's any other question. So let me see. So it's asking, what do you think about me coming in the card? Okay. So MT5, I don't know why it's not. All right, so let me share my screen. All right, so now for um, all right, um, so now for card, these let's check USD card. I don't know if it's only me, but my trading view is not letting me search for currency for pairs.
Which pair do you want to search
USD card.
for? USD.
I want to do like an analysis on it. So
Okay, like with your own, I mean,
yeah. So
this network.
so
So see, why should
yeah.
should I fund it and join?
Wait first. All right. So I think it's working. So so now there's the charts. So on USD card. So it's just loading. So, so there. You want to eat? So um, there's USD card. I think these guys are having downtime on their site. So I can't even help you look at it. I'm so sorry. MT5 network is behaving. All right. So I think aside that, does anybody has any other question or anything you like to know? Because now the network there is really terrible. So it's not letting me do analysis on any of those pair. Right. So I'm trading view. I don't know. It's not working on my end. I would have helped you do the analysis based on strategy. So now we have two pairs running, and both are in profit. US 30 we're in small profit. The other one too we're in profit too as well. So that's just that for the pair we are in. So we do have the sessions every Tuesday. Please do well to join Tuesday by 1 p.m. Do well to learn. You take your learning very seriously because this is an industry that is knowledge dependent. So the more you know, the more you're able to make money from the market. So you just have to keep building yourself. You have to just keep consistently, just keep learning, improving yourself every day, day to day to day. That's how you just grow. So thank you so much for taking the time to join, and I'll see you next week, Tuesday.